Welcome back. Well, a lot of commodity stocks are pressured today. Tata Steel, Hindalco, Vedanta, all of them are your top losers on the Nifty. But let's get in a couple of commodity strategies on that note. We have Naveen Mathur of Angel Commodities joining in with a couple of his calls today. Naveen, I'll start with gold and silver. What are you telling your clients?
Good afternoon. I think we all are aware of the crucial Fed meeting this week on the 16th and 17th of September, and I think the markets are awaiting decision there by the Fed whether they're going to increase the interest rate, the Federal Reserve interest rate on the higher side. I think the expectations are that because of the market turmoil which we have seen in last couple of days and weeks, it may hold off, the Fed may hold off the hike this month, but at the same time the data coming out of the US is very strong, so it's a kind of a dicey position, and therefore people are awaiting the decision there, and it's a lackluster trading sessions for gold or the bullion prices. We are recommending selling because of the expectation of the dollar strengthening, and with that particular strength of dollar, the gold may take a beating on the downside. So we are expecting a selling pressure building up, and the selling recommendation on the MCX would be around 26,150 or so. Stop loss to be maintained for this trade at around 26,320, and targets on the downside can be seen in a range of about 25,900 to 880 levels. We are sell on the silver too on the MCX. 34,900 is what the positions can be initiated at, with a stop loss of 35,400, and targets on the downside can be seen in a range of around 34,300 to 34,200 levels.
Naveen, morning. Very quickly, a call on crude.
Anuj, crude for all the reasons fundamentally is bearish, and we continue to remain bearish for the crude oil. International prices on the NYMEX is around $44, 44 and a half, and the Brent is trading at around 46.50. So I think overall trend remains bearish, and around that particular levels we continue to have the view of oversupplies and the fundamental reasons of opaque and non-opaque production levels on the high side. So I think with that particular fundamentals, the story remains bearish, and we'll go intraday also to sell the crude oil on the MCX at around 2970, stop loss at 3040, and targets on the downside can be made at around 2860 to 2850 levels.
Okay.
Anuj.
All right, Naveen, we leave it on that note. Thanks very much for joining in and taking us through those strategies. On that note, we're going to wrap up this edition of Street Signs as well. Stay tuned. Halftime report up next.